Welcome to my podcast, Tricks of the Trademark. This is Eric Pelton with another podcast episode in which I share advice and experience based on my 20 years of working with clients around the world to protect and strengthen their brands. There are numerous different types of intellectual property. Of course, I talk most frequently about trademarks, but from time to time we talk about copyrights, and we may reference patents. And there's another type of intellectual property that we may never have discussed on previous episodes of Tricks of the Trademark, and that is trade secrets. Trade secrets, some of the most famous ones you may be familiar with are the formula for Coca-Cola, or the original recipe for Kentucky Fried Chicken. These are examples of intellectual property that are protected because they have been kept secret. That makes them different from trademarks, patents, and copyrights in several ways, but one of the key differences is that all those other forms of intellectual property are filed publicly and are disclosed as part of the process of obtaining protection. By its very nature, trade secret is, of course, undisclosed. There are many types of trade secrets. Lots of business processes, business internal workings are kept secret and protected as trade secrets. Another example that you might be familiar with is some of the algorithm that Google uses to build its search results has been kept secret to keep it away from competitors and to keep people from trying to game the algorithm and the system. And one of my favorite products, WD-40, the recipe, so to speak, for WD-40 has been kept secret for many decades. A trade secret protection is available for any type of information or idea that is secret and undisclosed and gives your company a competitive edge. A couple of keys to think about in protecting trade secrets is that you must hold the information tightly closed internally and keep that secret. And you must have written protocols and policies within the company for the protection of the secrets, and you must follow those protocols and guidelines. And you must enforce them if somebody breaks them. Or, for example, when an employee leaves and you collect back their information, their data, their documents, their papers, their files. And of course, one tool, one piece of protecting it can be confidentiality agreements and NDAs or non-disclosure agreements, but that's just one tool in the toolkit for protecting trade secrets. If you have trade secrets or you're going to develop trade secrets within your business, you definitely want to talk to an attorney about helping to construct and build this set of policies and protocols and then enforcing them so that you can ensure that your efforts regarding the secret are fruitful and that you can benefit from the protection if it's done correctly. You've been listening to Tricks of the Trademark with me, Eric Pelton. I've been making trademarks bloom since 1999. For more information about my trademark services, visit my website at ericpelton.com. Thanks for listening.